In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print orders with Woocommerce. Printing orders is a key task for anyone managing an online store, as it helps you keep track of your sales, manage shipping, and ensure your customers receive their orders promptly and accurately. To get started with printing orders in Woocommerce, we'll first need to access our WordPress account. The first step is to head over to wordpress.com. This is your go-to destination for all things related to your website. Once there, you'll want to locate the login button and click on it. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your command center, where you manage posts, pages, plugins, and overall site settings. Navigating to the dashboard is crucial for us, as it's where all the plugin magic happens. With the dashboard in view, our next move is to focus on the left-hand side menu. Here you'll find the Plugins section. Go ahead and click on the Plugins tab. Plugins in WordPress are like little apps that enhance or add new features to your website. We'll be adding a specific plugin to aid us in printing orders. So, let's click on Add Plugin to open up the plugin repository. In the plugin repository search bar, type in Woocommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. This is the essential tool we'll be using to seamlessly print our orders. The beauty of this plugin lies in its simplicity and efficiency for generating and managing PDF invoices, packing slips, and delivery notes. Once you have searched, go ahead and click on the result that reads PDF Invoices and Packing Slips for Woocommerce. Once there, you need to click on the Install Now button. The installation process may take a few moments, so be patient while WordPress does its work. After installation is complete, switch the button to Activate. Activation is critical because it allows the plugin to start working in tandem with your WooCommerce setup. Finally, with the plugin now activated, you can go to your WooCommerce orders page. Here, with just a few clicks, you will now be able to print out beautifully formatted PDF invoices and packing slips directly from your orders list. This seamless process will not only speed up your workflow, but will also ensure that you maintain a high level of professionalism with well-organized documentation. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to printing orders in Woocommerce. Feel free to revisit any part of the video if you need more clarity on any step. Happy printing, and I hope this streamlines your order processing tasks.